Hello, my name is Allison, and I am a Learning and Liaison Librarian at Trent University. Business Source Complete is a database where you can find research resources on business and administration topics, including over 1 million company profiles, as well as industry profiles and market research reports. To find the Business Source Complete database, start at the Trent Library homepage. Click Databases A to Z. Click Complete Databases A to Z. Click the letter B and scroll down until you reach Business Source Complete. Click on it. You'll have to enter your My Trent library credentials if you're not already logged in to your library account. This is the simple search page for Business Source Complete. We're going to start by looking for a specific company profile. These profiles usually include information on a company's major products and services, revenue analysis, SWOT analysis, company history, and more. I will be searching for the company profile for Marriott International, a hotel and residential company. To do this, I'll first click the Advanced Search option. This is Business Source Complete's Advanced Search page. It gives us more searching options than the Simple Search page, so it will make it easier to find a specific company profile. In this first search box, I will type the name of the company I am searching for. It's important to note that Business Source Complete only has company profiles for public companies. If the company you are trying to search for is a private company, it's unlikely you will find a company profile for it. It's also important to make sure that you are using the full and proper name of the company you are searching for, and that you are spelling the name correctly. Also, make sure that you are searching for the parent company and not a branch of the parent company or a subsidiary. In the second search box, I will type the information source I want to find, company profile. Then click Search. You should find the profile for your company in the top of your list results. Here, I can see that the first result is a company profile of Marriott International created by MarketLine. I'll select this profile. This is the citation page for the company profile. On this page, you can find a handy guide on how to cite this company profile in your research by clicking the Cite button on the right side of the page. Make sure you double-check your research assignment instructions to make sure you are using the correct citation style that your instructor wants you to use. Also, double-check the citation to make sure that it is formatted correctly, contains all of the needed information, and is spelled correctly. You can also save a company profile or any other research source in Business Source Complete to your folder in order to view it later. You must be logged in with your My Trent library account to do this. On the right side of the screen, click the Add to Folder icon. Then, you can click the folder icon at the top right of your screen to find your saved source. You can also save articles, ebooks, market reports, and videos. To read this industry report, click PDF Full Text. This company report gives us a description and history of the company, its major products and services, a SWOT analysis, its top competitors, its locations, and other company information. You may find that not all company profiles have SWOT analyses included, even though the SWOT analysis can be found on Business Source. To find a SWOT analysis that has not been included in a company's profile, return to Search. Remove Company Profile from the second search box and type SWOT, SWOT, then click Search. As you can see, the SWOT analysis for the company should appear in the first few search results. Next, we'll search for industry profiles. There are multiple ways to do this. In the search box, enter the name of the industry. I will enter hotels. As you can see, my search has produced many results. This is because I searched all of the resources within the Business Source Complete database related to the keyword hotels. As you can see, the results include scholarly articles, which may come in handy later if I need scholarly article sources for my research. For now, however, I only want industry profiles. To narrow down my search results, select limiters based on my research needs. For example, by selecting the limiter source type and then industry profiles, I can already see that my results list is shorter, as it is now only showing me resources that are industry profiles. I can also narrow my results by geography. I will narrow my results to the US to find profiles on the hotel industry in the US. I may want to narrow my results to only include profiles published recently, say in the last 3 years. To do this, I will type in the years of publication, and then I will limit to results published between 2019 and 2021. The first result is an industry profile by Barnes Reports of the U.S. hotels and motels industry. The profile title includes the NAICS, or North American Industry Classification System code for hotels and motels, other than casino hotels. I can also tell that the report is from 2021. Like before, I can find suggested citations for this report, and I can add it to my folder to save it for later. To read the report, click PDF Full Text. The report includes information from 2021 on market reports, industry trends, and demographic data related to the hotels and motels industry. If we go back to the report citation and click on the source, United States Hotels and Motels Industry Capital and Expenses Report, we'll find a list of these reports from the years 2011 to 2021. Here's the report from 2016. You can also browse industry profiles by returning to the simple search page and clicking Industry Profiles. Click Industry and scroll through the list of industries to find one you are researching. By clicking Accommodation, I can find industry profiles from different countries, as well as a global industry profile. Remember, be careful that you check the publication date on the profile if you need current information on the industry. That ends this brief demonstration of how to find company and industry information using the Business Source Complete database. Remember, the library is here to help you with your research questions. We have many resources available. For example, you can find a handy guide about business and administration with tips and resources on our website. From the library homepage, click Research Guides and view all help guides and tutorials. Scroll down and click the Business Administration Guide. If you still have questions and want one-on-one help with your research, you can always book a research help session with the librarian. On the research guide, scroll down until you see a picture of your liaison librarian. You can book a research help session by clicking Schedule Online. You can also drop by for one-on-one research help at the Library Research Consultation Center, located on the main floor of Bata Library, on any weekday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Good luck with your research!